Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. This is Caitlin. Today as always, I got one pure inject star channel, this one. And then follow me, let's check it. The outside package is brown boxes, and on the one side you will see a label on it. The label information including the product code is 0950007781. And the one side is a QR code. If you want to print your own logo label, including packaging bags and so on, contact us. We can help you to design it, customize the services. Yes, in the inside we had two layers. The first layer can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. The second layer is the VCI anterior specs, and also we'll attach it with this one. These explanations they're listed with several caution. The accessories, the gasket for the fuel injectors. Yes, for this one, it's the China-made brand new, and on the one side you will see the OE number and the product number. Okay, let's check the details. And this is the solenoid valve part, and it has a QR code and with some figures. Of course, and on the two sides you will see from the rack cap parts, the oil can be go through with it, and it can be come out from this side. Each of the items before we send to you, we will make the 3 times core material test, and that's why we have confidence to make supply 6 months warranty time to our customers. So during this time, if you're not satisfied with the qualities, contact us, because with Shumatt we can satisfy your demands, and also we can supply the good after sales services like the 3 times core material test. So don't worry about anything, no worries. If you want our product, please just feel free to contact us. Okay, that's all. Yes, if you want to know more information, send us by comments, or if you don't mind, leave your WhatsApp or your email address. We will talk in by emails or by the messages. Okay. That's all about today's sharing. Time is so fast. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.